Welcome to 5735 Prancing Deer Place, your peaceful country retreat just 15 minutes from town. Picture this, 2 acres of space to grow your dreams, raise some chickens, plant a garden, or start that mini farm you've always wanted. This spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers incredible flexibility, perfect for multi-generational living, a home, business, or even rental income. In the main living area, you'll find the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and it's open to the dining room, which is open to your living room. And the main primary suite, it's got French doors to the outside, a walk-in closet, and dual sinks. Comfort meets function. And get this, a previous garage conversion added an entire second suite with a game room, bathroom, and a secondary laundry. Add a kitchenette and you've got yourself a potential ADU.
This view kind of makes me want to write a country song. And your ranchette and garden dreams actually line up with reality.
The fenced garden space is ready for your green thumb. A large storage shed and plenty of open land. Add whatever your hearts and animals desire. Whether you're looking for one large home or to separate it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath main residence with a 2-bedroom, 1-bath ADU, the possibilities here are wide open. So if you've been craving the freedom of country living with the flexibility to make it truly your own, this is the one.
Call us today for a private showing of 5735 Prancing Deer Place. Bring your boots and your dreams.